I'm Heidi Miller, a speech pathologist and clinic owner, and I specialize in feeding. I know how challenging it is to treat picky eaters and kids with ARFID. Yes! Did you know the number of children with PFD is exponentially increasing? If you're an SLP, OT, or clinic owner and you don't offer feeding therapy, then you are missing out on a huge opportunity to grow. Maybe you want to treat feeding clients and you don't have the tools or resources to start. This is why, after 20 plus years of successfully treating picky eaters, I wanted to share my strategies with other SLPs and OTs. Why limit yourself when so many families benefit from feeding therapy? The HMS Feeding Protocol is easy. It's a step-by-step course that gives you everything that you need. Video modules, intake phone calls, evaluation, and treatment strategies. You also get ASHA CEUs. This course will give you a new population to treat with successful results, an increase in therapy sessions, and confidence that you and your therapists are well trained. At the end of the protocol, it'll be a celebration for both you and your new adventurous eating clients. Check out these testimonials. Clinicians say that the course is super easy to follow, and parents are thrilled with the progress that their kids have made. To purchase the HMS Feeding Protocol, you go to helppickyeaters.com, and if you put in the code HMSTV, you get $50 off.